We've got 11 exercises in this warm-up, 30 seconds each with no rest in between. Let's get started with inchworm shoulder taps. Have a slight bend at your knees, hinge at your hips, walk your hands out to a high plank, then tap each shoulder with the opposite hand. Walk back up and repeat. Great work. Get on all fours for cat-cow. Start by rounding your back up towards the ceiling, then lift your chin up, looking up slightly, while dropping your belly as you lift your chest and tailbone. Move slowly and feel the stretch. Nice work, get in a high plank, then push your hips back towards your heels and return. Keep your core engaged throughout. Nice work, now get upright and we'll move on to alternating bend. While standing tall, reach towards the opposite side with your arm, then repeat on the other side. Keep your chest lifted and knees soft. Great work. Let's move on to squat reach. Squat down low and bring your arms up as you come up. Alternate arms each rep and move controlled. Nice work, get into a deep lunge for this one. Step one foot forward into a low lunge, reach your arms up and overhead, keep your hips square and core tight.
Ay, qué rico se ve eso, te ves como travieso, quiero probar tu beso. Ay, qué rico se ve eso, te ves como travieso, quiero probar tu beso.
Nice work, now let's repeat on the other side. Step forward like before, but now with the opposite leg. Reach your arms overhead and feel the stretch, nice and steady. Just a couple more to go, guys. Sit tall with both knees bent at 90 degrees, feet on the floor and brace your core. Now rotate your knees side to side under control, keeping your chest lifted and hips grounded.
Ay, qué rico se ve eso, te ves como travieso, quiero probar tu beso. Ay, qué rico se ve eso, te ves como travieso.
Great work, now stand upright and it's time for some side lunges. Step out into a lunge to one side, bend that knee, keep the other leg straight, push back to center and switch sides. Transition to a high plank position. We've got downward dog walk now. Start in a high plank, then move into a downward dog position. Now walk your legs and feel the stretch in your hamstrings. Nice work everyone, final exercise now. Let's finish up strong. Jump your feet out and raise your arms overhead, then back in. Stay light and controlled and keep moving. And that's the warm-up. You are now all set for the main workout for the day. I'll see you in the next workout. Bye!